Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be going over some simple tips and tricks on the Stumble Guys map, Icy Heights. As the name implies, Icy Heights is covered in ice, making all of your movement incredibly slippery. The first major obstacle that you're going to find in the Icy Heights map is this large blue box. The simplest way to go past it is to go around. However, this method is quite slow and you will often find yourself behind. An easy way to counteract this is by going over. This will give you a large speed boost and will move you on to the next obstacle quickly. To do this, you will jump and dive onto either the left or right rail. And near the end of the rail, jump and dive over the blue box. This will give you a large speed boost and move you on ahead. The next obstacle in Icy Heights is a narrow bridge where two swinging batons are trying to hit you. This can easily be maneuvered by with a slide jump. To do this, jump onto this hill, which will make you ragdoll, and while you are on the ground, you can jump dive, which will give you a very large speed boost and send you going down the final slope at an incredible speed. Near the end of the map, there are trampolines. Normally, when you just bounce on them, the trampolines will bring you very close to the finish line. However, by jumping on these trampolines and then diving in midair, you get a very large speed boost that will propel you directly into the finish goal, much like that at the beginning of the water slide map. Thank you guys for watching this video. These were some simple tips and tricks on Icy Heights, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. For now, continue stumbling.